Time tracking with PROXIUSS Project Plus offers an automated and efficient approach to monitor working hours on a weekly basis. To start tracking the work as an employee, click on Time Tracking from the homepage. Click on the arrows to view the whole window. Use the side arrows or select desired date range by using the calendar. Click on Add Project and select the project and the task. Fill in the working hours for each day and add description. In case you are working on multiple projects or tasks, click on Add Project button again to add another project or task. Fill in the information into the correct column. When you are finished, click Save. Your inputs can be edited at any time before they are submitted to your manager. To send your tracked working hours to your manager for approval, click the Submit button and confirm it.